With you guys, I visited my good friend in Bagbag Cemetery of the Baliches, guys. Si Ate Ning, because that day is her second year death anniversary. Hello, Ate Ning. Uh, I'm I'm with her beloved family, her husband, Kuya Frank, together with her two sons, Franz and Francis, and also with the Franz girlfriend, si Erika. Uh-uh. So, as you can see, guys, she's buried in the fourth floor. Yes, just I can't believe I thought only boarding houses has fourth floor, but guys, for today's video, also what you call this cemetery has fourth floor.
Caretaker?
Yes. Because old times kasi pansyon lang eh. Yung isahan lang. Pero nowadays, to accommodate everyone's death, meron na siyang extension na fourth floor. Thank you for watching, everyone. Good day, everyone.